Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Today's video isn't anything special because it's all about drawing hands while they are holding different objects. In my previous video, we discussed how to draw hands. So this video is small part of those video. Everything I am sharing here is based on my personal experience. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's assume we are drawing a hand holding an apple. It's completely depend on me whether I draw the hand first or the apple. In this case, I will start with the apple. After drawing the apple, I get the basic idea of where to place the palm and each finger. And I also know exactly how big the hand should be compared to the apple. Now let's look at the second example. Here's the hand is holding a spoon. Again I will start with spoon. Once the spoon is drawn, I know how large the hand should be compared to it. And I also have a clear idea of the finger placement. Now for the third drawing, the hand is holding a flower. This case is little different. Here I will start with hand first. After drawing the hand, I can easily draw the flower in the correct position. Now let's draw the same hand again, but this time I will draw the flower first and then the hand. Here's the problem. While drawing the finger, I don't know the exact distance between the palm and the fingertips. As you can clearly see, there is a difference. The first drawing where I started with the hand looks much more natural than the second drawing where I started with the flower. Now let's draw the hand squeezing an object. In this example, the hand is squeezing a ball. I'll start with the hand first. I am looking at the reference, so I know how the hand is holding the ball. I simply follow the reference. After drawing the hands, it's very easy to draw the ball because the finger placement is already established. Let's look at another example. Here the hand is squeezing the lemon. Once again, I'll draw the hand first by following the reference. After that, it's really easy to draw the lemon according to the position of fingertips. The third example is a hand squeezing a cold drink can. Everything is going to be the same. I'll draw the hand first, then fit the can into the grip. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.